Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Versys 650 LT, ABS brakes, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, adventure touring machine. It's got a nice upgraded V-Stream, large windshield, adjustable, Kawasaki handguards, Kawasaki locking and removable luggage. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 1,900 miles on this gorgeous Versys 650. Make your adventure touring bike dreams come true. Beautiful matte silver color and black paint scheme. This bike is priced to sell for just $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.